Adani's masterstroke, how he acquired the second largest cement corporation in the country. On 16 May 2022, Gautam Adani acquired Ambuja and ACC Cements for $10.5 billion. Adani, who is among the top 5 richest people in the world, made the second largest cement manufacturing company in India his own. Can you understand Adani's genius business strategy behind this huge move? First, you need to understand backward integration to truly understand the reasoning behind this business acquisition. Take a grocery retail store for example. Distributors procure the products from manufacturers and sell them to retailers for a profit margin. Wholesalers and middlemen are also part of the distribution sector. After getting the products from these distributors, retailers further increase the profit margin and sell the products to customers. Let's assume that retailer Mr. Arumugam orders about 10,000 ghee packets from a wholesaler each month. If he purchases 1 liter of ghee for 420 rupees, he sells them to customers for 520 rupees. At the same time, the wholesaler would have bought the 1 liter of ghee for 360 rupees. Hence, Mr. Arumugam desires to become a wholesaler himself as he can earn higher profits. Now Mr. Arumugam, who is a wholesaler, sells the ghee packets to retail stores that operate under his company's wing, for 400 rupees with a profit margin of 40 rupees. For the other retailers, he sells them at 420 rupees with a profit margin of 60 rupees. So, when the other retailers sell the ghee packets at a usual rate of 520 rupees, the retailers under Mr. Arumugam sell them at a lower price of 480 rupees and attract more customers. This way, Mr. Arumugam's company emerges profitable in both the wholesale and retail sectors. After which, no matter how many retail outlets he further establishes, his profits won't decline. Mr. Arumugam, who is now a distributor with a large supply chain, decides to become a manufacturer himself instead of buying the products from other manufacturers. He acquires a dairy farm and produces milk, ghee, butter, which then, he sells to his retailers through his supply chain and earns a higher profit. As a result, he conquers the entire supply chain and controls the market. This is called backward integration. Adani followed the same strategy. Adani was a major player in the construction industry where he undertook several government projects worth crores of rupees and built highways, harbors, airports, electricity plants, and residential buildings. Completing such massive projects required lakh tons of steel and cement. Procuring such huge quantities of steel and cement at the market is not cost-effective. So Adani decides to buy Ambuja and ACC Cements for $10.5 billion. Apart from fulfilling the needs of his construction business, Adani had established himself in the cement industry as well. Adani retained the customers of Ambuja Cements and ACC Cements. Adani stated that his company will continue to play an important role in the construction industry while also being their own biggest customer for their cement company. Adani's corporations play a major role in the cement manufacturing industry and in deciding the market price of cement. They earn huge profits by selling a variety of Portland cement products. Meanwhile, due to the Prime Minister's Awas Yojana scheme, the demand for cement skyrocketed as 100 smart cities, 200 airports and residential properties were planned to be constructed. This turned out to be highly profitable for the cement manufacturing companies. In the next 5 years, Ambuja and ACC have planned to manufacture 140 million tons of cement, which is twice as much as what is being produced currently. Why did the Switzerland-based company Holism decide to sell Ambuja Cements? Ambuja Cements, which was the second largest cement manufacturer in India, despite being highly successful and yielded 200 times profit, was sold to Adani because of the Paris deal. Governments across the world are taking measures to control carbon emissions in order to prevent global warming. As cement manufacturing results in high carbon emissions, Holism decided to back off from their cement manufacturing business in several countries such as India, Brazil, Russia, and Sri Lanka. Many countries are adapting eco-friendly methods to manufacture cement. India too should follow suit. Even though Ambani acquired both Ambuja and ACC Cements, Ultratech Cement still remains as the leading cement manufacturer. Ultratech produces 120 million tons of cement per year while Ambuja and ACC combined produce only 65.9 million tons of cement. Ultratech is the biggest competition for Adani's cement manufacturing corporations.